Congratulations on your new Concept One skin. Before you begin, you will need a hairdryer to apply your skin. So go and get one. This application video is applicable for the OnePlus 7T. Depending on your order, the elements of your Concept One skin should arrive like this. To complete the Concept One look, you will need to apply both the full back and flat back skins. The full back skin goes on first. To apply the full back skin, check the link given in the description below. Or click here to watch the full back application for your OnePlus device. Once you've applied the full back skin, come back here for the next step. Welcome back. Assuming you have finished applying your full back skin, let us continue. The flat back skin is made of 4 sections. The center skins will need to be applied first and then removed at the end. Peel off the lower center section of the skin, and attach it to the 3M paper. Align the skin with the logo. Then firmly press the skin in place, and remove the 3M paper. And then the top section. Align the upper center section of the skin with the edges of the phone and the camera. Now you can start applying the left section. Align the left section of the skin with the previously applied center section. There should neither be any gaps nor overlap between the skins. Make sure the edges are aligned perfectly. And then remove the 3M paper. Rub down the edges of your skin as shown. Repeat the process and apply the right section of your flat back skin. We're almost done. Now start peeling off the center section from the bottom. Be careful with the logo on the full back skin while peeling off the center section. And then the top section. Use the hairdryer to soften the edges of the skin so they stick securely to the edges of your phone. Smooth down the edges with a microfiber cloth for a perfectly smooth finish. Do the same for the other side. Cover your nail with a microfiber cloth and then smooth down all the edges of the skin as shown. This will also prevent the skin from peeling. Now finally, apply the OnePlus logo skin. Align each section of the logo with their cutouts. And press the logo into place. And there you have it. Enjoy your new OnePlus 7T Concept One skin. How does your phone look? Tag us and show us. For new launches and upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel.